Welcome to Cakes and Conversations. We are learning to make cake pops and cakesicles today. We need a cakesicles mold and sticks for the cakesicles. I'm just making one or two here, and I'm going to make 3 cake pops. I have white chocolate melted in my melting pot. It's still melting. We do not need any lumps in the white chocolate, so we need to have it lump free. I use weighing scale for all my baking, and this cake I have a leftover from a previous cake. This is red velvet cake crumbs, which is almost 147 grams. I'm going to crumble them. I love cream cheese with my red velvet, so I am adding cream cheese block to my red velvet cake. This is 15 grams block. You usually get these in triangles. Each triangle is 15 grams. You can add any frosting as well, but I love cream cheese with red velvet, so I'm just using a cream cheese block. We need a dough-like consistency. It should hold together. This is how it should be, the texture. We do not need a lot of cream cheese for this, so my measurements, I repeat, it was 147 grams of cake batter, cake crumbs, sorry, and 15 grams of cream cheese block. I usually take a tablespoon and make all the cake pops the same size. You can do it this way as well, or you can also weigh them so that each and every pop is the same size. So this, I'm just taking 1.5 tablespoons. So this was 1 and this is half. Press firmly, remove the excess. This is 1.5 tablespoon. I'm also going to weigh this to let you know how much this is. This is 31 grams, like 30 grams mostly. Yes, 30 grams of the cake butter, the cake pop batter. Now I'm just going to dip my lollipop stick in white melted chocolate. And insert in the cake pop. We will do this for all the puffs and freeze it. Keep it in the fridge, not in the freezer, sorry. This small quantity gave me 3 pops and 2 cakesicles. You can make 5 pops or all the 5 cakesicles, that's up to you. I have coated 2 pops already, so I'll just show how to coat these pops. Remove the cake pop from the fridge. It would not be very hard, it will not be very soft as well. So you need to roll like this in the white chocolate. Keep rotating and tapping. So when you tap and you rotate, you will have all the sides even. There won't be any side which has thick chocolate and the other side has a thin layer of a chocolate. So you need to rotate and tap and remove the excess. When you see that there's no more dripping, no more chocolate is dripping, you need to remove, you need to completely take off. See, nothing has been dripping now, so I'm just, for the overall look to be very smooth, I am tapping straight as well, very lightly, not so much. and the cake pop is done. This will just get hardened on the countertop itself. We'll do the cakesicles. I'll show you how to fill the cakesicle mold. You will follow same how the chocolate method. So you will spread the chocolate in the mold. So here I've colored a little bit white chocolate to red, maroonish red. So I'm just spreading that on the base with the help of a spoon. You need to make sure that there's nothing white mold seen through. And same way we will keep this in the fridge to set. We remove the excess and keep it in the fridge to set. We will insert the stick halfway through that I've done in the mold, and we will insert it full way once we fill it with the cake pop mix. Let's keep it in the fridge to chill. Once it's chilled and set, we will press in the cake pop batter. Here mostly 20 to 22 grams of batter goes in one cakesicle. Form a log and just keep pressing. You need to fill in, and you will not complete it till up. There should be a little bit gap so that you seal in the chocolate. If you see there's a border, I'll just show you. See, this much gap should be maintained so that when you pour the top layer of chocolate, it should seal it. I'm just going to cover the top of it with the remaining chocolate. I have added just 3 to 4 drops of canola oil to my chocolate so that it's not very thick. Not more than 4 drops. Now I'm inserting the stick full way. We'll spread the chocolate on the back. And remove the excess with a scraper. If you see there's still gaps left, you can fill it and go again with the scraper. We'll chill it. I'll show you how to demold it then. Once set hard in the fridge, you need to release the sides first, otherwise it will break. So we release the sides. And from the top we'll peel away. Carefully remove from this. You need to carefully pull the stick. Push it from down and remove it. That's how your cakesicles will be. You can make it any color, any design, anything can be decorated. I've just done with a small flower and leaf. So anything can be done on the cakesicle. They look very cute and pretty. This is a gum paste flower and a leaf that was pre-prepared. You can make it out of chocolate also. This is how I finished it. Thank you so much for watching.